When we bought this house a long time ago, all the windows were leaking and they needed to be recaulked, and you have to lift the glass up and out, and then there's two little side pieces that usually have to be replaced because they break when you try to take them out, and they have to be cut at a 45, and I didn't have a Mitre Box, so I'll show you what I did for all these windows. They're all the way up there and what have you. But yeah, I didn't have a space for a Mitre Box, didn't really have the money, not something I use a lot, so I'll show you what I did instead. So this is what I ended up using. It's just two 2x2s screwed together, 1-2 screws. It's pretty easy to make. You just take your square and get your 45 and mark your 45 with a pencil here. Mark the line down here. Mark across the back like this, and then saw carefully. Stay on your lines on both front and back. Do that twice, and then if you want a straight through like I did over here, that's easy enough with the other side of your square, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Works very well, and I've done probably 100 pieces like this, so yeah, they all worked out rather well. So that's all there is to it. If you need a quick and dirty Mitre Box, you can make one out of a couple pieces of wood and with just a couple tools, square and a hacksaw. Well, I hope you found it useful and interesting.